Vertical bike hooks free valuable floor space in small homes by storing bicycles upright against walls or from the ceiling. For tight apartments, start by assessing your wall studs and ceiling joists with a stud finder and measuring tape so mounts load into structure, not just drywall. Choose heavy-duty wall hooks rated for at least 50 pounds, and use lag bolts into studs or masonry anchors for brick or concrete. If you rent, get landlord approval and consider removable options like floor-to-ceiling tension poles that transfer load between floor and ceiling without permanent fasteners. Slackline-style vertical racks use 2 secure anchor points and a strap to hold the bike by the wheel and are gentle on rims. Center the strap and balance the bike to avoid torque on the mount. Ceiling hoists lift the bike completely overhead using pulley systems that lock the rope when raised, route the rope where it is reachable, and install a cleat to stow excess line safely. Foldable wall-mounted racks swing flat against the wall when not in use and need about 2 inches of clearance. Fasten their hinge plates into studs and test the mechanism several times unloaded before trusting a bicycle on them. For any system, protect the frame from scratches by adding silicone pads or felt to contact points, and maintain clearance for doors and walkways to prevent accidental bumps. Common mistakes include attaching hooks only into drywall, which will pull out under load. Fix this by locating studs or using proper masonry anchors, and never rely on drywall alone. Another issue is poor balance when hanging by the front wheel, which can cause the bike to swing and damage paint or components. Mitigate that by positioning straps or hooks near the wheel center and using a second tether to stabilize the rear. People also underestimate clearance needed for handlebars and pedals, which leads to blocked pathways or scratched walls. Measure full bicycle width and plan mount height so the bike is out of the way, and add wall bumpers to prevent contact. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like vertical bike storage, so we can find and post local options and discuss installations. We host a discussion community where members share photos, mounting tips, and contractor recommendations, and we help contractors find work from homeowners seeking these solutions.